It is question number 12. Find the distance between points 5,2, minus 5,2 and 7,3. We know that the distance between 2 points is given by the formula is square root x2 minus x1 square plus whole square of y2 minus y1. This point is x1 comma y1 and it is x2 comma y2. Then we put the value of x2 7 minus x1 minus 5, then it is plus 5 plus y2 minus 3 minus y1 is 2 whole square. Then 7 plus 5 12 square minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 square. We have 144 plus 25 square root 169, and we know that the square root of 169 is 13. 13 unit is answer. Now the next question is, so that the points 1 comma 1 comma root 3 comma minus root 3 and minus 1 comma minus 1 are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Let the points A bracket 1 comma 1, B root 3 comma minus root 3 and C minus 1 comma minus 1 are the vertices of a triangle and we have to show that it is an equilateral triangle. Then firstly we find the distance between point AB, then BC, after that AC, and all three sides are equal. Then it is these points form an equilateral triangle. Then distance between A 1 comma 1 and B root 3 comma minus root 3 is given by AB equal, we know the formula x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. x2 is x1 y1 x2 y2, then x2 is root 3 minus x1 is 1 plus y2 is minus root 3, y1 is 1. Now square this term, we get a square b square minus 2ab and is whole square of minus a minus b is whole square of a plus b, then it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now 2 roots cancel out, we have 3 plus 1 it is 8, means 2 root 2 unit. Now find BC, distance between B bracket root 3 comma minus root 3 and C minus 1 comma minus 1. Then distance between BC is y2 minus y1 square, y2 is minus 1, sorry, x2 minus x1 square means minus 1 minus root 3 square plus y2 minus y1 means minus 1 minus y1, then it is plus root 3 square. Now open the bracket, we have it is square of a plus b, then a square plus b square plus 2ab, and it is whole square of a minus b, then a square b square minus 2ab, 2 root 3 cancel out, we have root 8 and 2 root 2 unit. AB and BC are equal. Now we have to show that AC is also equal for an equilateral triangle. Distance between A bracket 1 comma 1 and C minus 1 comma minus 1. Then x2 minus x1 square, it is x1 y1 x2 y2, then x2 is minus 1 minus x1 is 1, y2 is minus 1 minus y1 is 1, open the bracket, we have minus 2 square, it is minus 2 square, and 4 plus 4 means root 8, and it is 2 root 2 unit. AB, BC, CA are equal, means AB equal BC equal CA. Then triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle.